Everyone, in this video I will show you how to share file or folder on your Google Drive using your phone by installing Google Drive app on your phone. This is my phone. So to use Google Drive, you need to install Google Drive app on your phone from Play Store or an App Store. So after installing it, you click on Drive icon on your phone and log in with your Gmail accounts and password to access your Google Drive account. This is my Google Drive accounts. Here shows all the folder that have been created on my Google Drive account. So to share a file, you double click on any folder that contains file, then you click on shared. Then after clicking on share, you type the email address of the person who should have an access to your file. Then you give view permission or commit permission or edit to have a full access to your file and folder to be able to edit it. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to receive an update. Thank you.